Today we're going to make some delicious melt-in-your-mouth brisket in your Instant Pots. We're going to need a few ingredients. First ingredient we are going to use is some cinnamon, and we're going to sprinkle that on the meat, get it on both sides. Next up, we're going to put some honey on it to give that nice caramelization and some sweetness. And then we're going to finish up with some garlic salts. Rub that all on both sides, make sure it's nicely packed in there, and when you're done, you're going to go ahead and refrigerate that for about 12 hours to 24 hours. When you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and put that Instant Pot on saute, and then you're going to go and brown all the sides of the meat. When that's done, go ahead and put in a cup of chicken broth and one whole onion. You're going to go ahead then and change the pressure cooker to high pressure and put that on for an hour and 15 minutes in your Instant Pot, and make sure the sealing is tight. When you're done, you're going to have nice, delicious, fall apart brisket that you can serve with your meal.